Contractors is a contracting firm established over 40 years ago. We specialise in residential developments in the Greater Dublin area with an emphasis on delivering quality homes to our clients. The first time we used Netwatch was back in 2015, and we've used them on every site since because we've never had any problems really. The alarm system and stuff and the audio seems to scare people away. It works. We've direct lines of communication all the time, and if something's needed, a camera goes down or something, a phone call and somebody from Netwatch is there within a few hours. So that's the sort of service we need.
We definitely recommend Netwatch. In fact, even before the site started, there was word of them using another company, not Netwatch, and we insisted it had to be Netwatch. We were at site meetings, pre-start meetings. We told the design team there'll be Netwatch we'll be using and nobody else. Every pallet you see there is probably a couple of €1,000. Everything is maybe double the price it was this time last year. One cog goes missing, we can't continue until we resource that product, and sometimes it's not easy to resource that product, so it's not.
Having Netwatch on site, I suppose, gives us comfort. We know that the site is protected as best it can possibly be. We seem to be in a time now where fuel theft is on the rise, and we need to be sure that when we have 20 machines here in the morning, they're all still going to be full of fuel and everyone's ready for a day's work. What the Eco Commander did was give us another option that we never really had before when it came to the very start of a development, before there's permanent power on site. In the past, our options were limited with security. We'd have been paying security guys to come out and look after the site, whereas now we have cameras on site from day one.